Hello everyone, hope you're doing good and welcome to today's workshop on machine learning which is held by Coding Club. And myself, my name is Rateja. I am studying CSC Artificial Intelligence in Parallel University. First of all, today's table of contents, and these are all the topics that we can cover in this session. First of all, from our bucket list, our top one is evolution of machines. As you know, we are living in an era of world with humans and machines. Generally, humans can understand something by their past experience. Just like that, era of machines had begun. Usually, machines do things based on the way you programmed it. Just like a calculator do something just like the way you programmed it. Other than that, it do nothing. Just imagine, what if machines started learning on their own? This is how machine learning started to come to surface. You're probably wondering, what is a machine learning? Here is a small definition. Machine learning is a subset of AI. It mainly focuses on designing of system, thereby allowing them to learn and make predictions based on some experience. This experience is also known as data in case of machines. Machine learning is the core of many futuristic technological advancements in our world. As you can see, various machine learning like voice assistant, self-driving cars, AI robots, and many more. Machine learning enables a feature in computers that a computer can make decisions based on the data without being explicitly programmed. How does machine learning works? A machine learning model works on firstly finding the patterns in data and use those patterns to predict the future. This machine learning needs to learn, and the learning requires identifying the patterns, recognizing the patterns when you see them again, and this is how machine learning works. For example, detecting credit card frauds, facial recognition, and many more. For next topic, many of you know AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Have you ever wondered what is the difference between these three? Let me explain. Firstly, deep learning. I'll always go with the core part, okay? And deep learning. Deep learning is a machine learning technique that constructs artificial neural network to mimic the structure and function of human brain. Just like a human brain, these nodes works as a function. The work is defined and divided into a function and solved step by step from these hidden layers. That means if you give a work as an input layer, and the hidden layers will take it as a functions and sort it out and gives the output to the one node. This is how deep learning works. Nextly, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of computers or computers controlled by robots to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent beings. In simple words, I can call a artificial intelligence as machine learning model that can mimic a humans. And also machine learning is completed. So next topic, applications of machine learning. Here are some of the applications of machine learning. First of all, what do you mean by applications? That means after learning machine learning, what are the things you can do in our day-to-day life? Here are some examples. Automatic language transition, medical diagnosis, stock market trading, online fraud detection, virtual personal assistant, email spam and malware filtering, self-driving car, production recommendations, traffic predictions, self-recognition, image recognition. These are some basic applications of machine learning. And next, the career opportunities in machine learning. That means what do you become with and some other tasks while learning machine learning. That means with machine learning, what you become. First one, data engineer / architect. That means you become a data engineer or a software developer or a machine learning engineer or a data scientist, just like me.